Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. I hope y'all are all doing okay. I hope you're staying sane inside your house. I hope you're staying inside and not going out. Yeah, I've been a hot mess. I don't know about you guys, but this whole thing has just made me kind of lethargic. I get up every morning and I've got things I'm going to do and I'm ready to go, and then a couple hours later I'm like, yeah, I'm just still sitting on the couch. I am still working right now a little bit. I don't have a lot of appointments, but I do still have some. I do have some clients that are doctors and people that still have to work. So I am able to still work a little bit, which is nice. It's kind of keeping me sane. But yeah, this is crazy. My kids are home. They're on their first week of school from home, and that's going okay, but I'm ready for them to leave the house and go back to school. But anyways, I've got, today we're going to go over the Fab Fit Fun spring box that I've got. I actually got this on Monday. It is now Thursday. That's how long it's taken me to get around to actually film this. Every day I'm like, I'm going to film it, and every day I'm like, no, I'm not. So finally we're getting it done. So this box here is $49.99 a quarter. So you're going to get it spring, summer, fall, and winter. This is the spring box. This is my first one. I actually used to get this subscription and I loved it, but for a while I just had too many things, so I went ahead and canceled it. And now I have restarted it, so this is my first one for this time. I love this box. It's so pretty with all these butterflies. And this is like a lifestyle box. It will have different like cosmetics stuff and then different lifestyle items. So and it's guaranteed to always have over $200 worth of products inside. So this is what it looks like on the inside. Look how pretty these butterflies are. And you always get your little magazine here. This one has Gina Rodriguez in it, and these are always fun. They've got like some little activities. It's like a regular magazine. It's going to have some little articles in here to read, some activities. There's like a crossword puzzle in here. And then you have your page that tells about all the items that you can get in this box. They do have certain items that everybody gets, and then they have some items that you can actually go and select and choose which one you want. So it does have some customizable options. Usually you can choose anywhere from 3 to 5 products that are in your box. And the boxes come from anywhere from 8 to 10 products. So let's go ahead and see what's in here. There's a few little papers with some information and some coupons here. And then let me give you a little sneak peek. This is everything that's inside. Okay. Let me get my little catalog out over here with the information so I can tell you what this stuff is. Okay, the first thing we have in here, which is one of the items that I picked, I was really excited about this. This is the Revive Light Therapy, and this one here is a glow, wrinkle, and anti-aging light device. And it says that will stimulate collagen and elastin with this multi-wave light device, and this is a $68 value. And this here, let's see, it has infrared light, red light, amber light, and then you can go through here and choose the different lights, and then it looks like you leave it in the spot that you want to treat for 3 minutes, and then once the light turns off, then you move over to the next spot. So this will be interesting to try. I'm excited about this. Then the next item in here is going to be this Murad This is the Murad Resurgence Rapid Collagen Infusion. And let's see. It says fast-acting treatment with a topical filler-like effect, plump skin surface to minimize the look of lines and wrinkles after just one use. Formulated with collagen amino acids, this treatment smooths and visibly revolumizes skin, while winged kelp helps restore youthful firmness. And it says reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles in 2 hours. Boy, that is a claim right there. It says use AM and PM, massage over a clean face, neck, and chest. So yeah, we're gonna see if that really works. I'm gonna use all of this, and when I get the next box, then I will recap what was in this box and let you know like how it worked out for me or if I didn't like it, and then show you what's in the new box. So, oh, and this here is $78 for that Murad. Then the next item is this hairbrush. And this is Aria Beauty Luxe Chrome Detangling Brush. In the catalog it says that it's an electroplated brush perfect for all hair types. The extended bristles offer easy detangling and reduce stress to the hair and scalp. And this is $35. This is a really pretty brush. I like the size of it. So yeah, that's nice. I'm excited about this brush. And then the next item is this Amber Seats double coin necklace. These are really cute. They're like little coins. There's the back. And this here, it says this gorgeous double layered coin necklace features a detailed coin design on gold colored chains, and it's $50. Then after that, we have got this Avene thermal spring water. Not exactly sure how you pronounce that, but this is a nice bottle. Okay, this spring water, it says spritz your face with hydrating spring water to calm, soothe, and soften the skin, and this is $14. I have heard some people say that this is pretty good, like a nice refreshing face water. I don't normally use spring water on my face. It's a little pushy, but I'm really excited to try this and see how it works. And then the next item we have, this is Scandinavia, the makeup finishing spray. Let's see. Oh, that's upside down. I'm sorry, it's Scandinavia, not Scandinavia. Okay, and this here is actually not in this catalog. So I looked it up, and this is $29 for this size bottle online. Apparently they have different types, and it's got really good reviews. So I do love a good makeup spray, like a finishing spray. I do use them all the time, so I'm really excited to try this one out. Then the next item we have on here is this Spongel Black Orchid Sponge. I've used these before. This is really pretty side of the box. I've used these before and I really like them. They're a sponge that already has the soap and everything infused in here. So you just use it, you get it wet, lather it up, use it, and then you set it up where it can dry back out before the next time you take a shower. This smells amazing. It has a very warm floral smell. I don't really know like any other way to describe it, but it smells really, really good. And these usually last like a month to a month and a half, depending on how often you use them. I really, really enjoyed this the last time I had one. So I'm excited about that. And the Spongel sponge is, let's see here, it's $16. And then the last item in here, make sure that's it. Okay, yeah. The last item is Wish Blue Matcha Restoring Mask. And let's see, it says detoxifies and purifies, deeply moisturizes and deeply soothes. It says apply generously over face, avoiding the eye area until the beautiful blue color is covering desired areas. Leave on until blue has completely faded and rinse with warm water. It says out of the blue, a new mask to purify and detox environmentally stressed skin while controlling and evening out your pH balance. This mask goes on blue and fades as it works its magic. No more dry or oily patches. Skin is left beautifully glowing, radiant, and healthy. That's what we call wellness from the outside in. Okay, I want to see what color blue this is, because that's, oh, it's like a really light eggshell blue. It's a nice glass container. It's cute. I'm really excited to try this. So that is everything in this box. Let's just kind of recap. We've got the Wish Restoring Mask. Oh, and this mask is $58. So you get like some really nice, good skincare. And I remembered the last time that I got this box, I didn't buy skincare for a long time because I had plenty that came in the box and like I was set for a while. And then we have the Glow light for wrinkles. We've got this really nice Murad collagen, rapid collagen infusion. Anything I've ever tried by this brand has been great, so I'm really excited about that. We have got the sponge with the soap already in it. We've got this finishing spray. We've got the spring water for your face. That might be really nice when it's really hot outside and I just need to cool off. We got this necklace. And last but not least, we got this beautiful hairbrush. And the total value, I figured out, let's see, the total value of this box was hold on one second, let me grab a calculator. So again, remember this box was $49.95 or $49.99, and the total value of this box was $348, so that's pretty amazing. So yeah, and you know, if you get this box and you get some items that you're not going to use, you don't think you're going to like, they're great to gift to friends or family that you think might like them when they have a birthday or something coming up. So that's an idea. Anyways, I highly recommend this box. Again, once I get the summer box, I will let you know how this stuff worked out for me, if I liked it or if I didn't. And that's all for today's video. Again, I hope y'all are doing okay. Stay inside. Come up with some fun ideas to keep you busy and occupied. Do some baking, coloring, read a book. I actually have a new book I just picked up at Target like 2 weeks ago, right before everything got crazy, and I still haven't had the energy to bring myself to read it, but I'm working on it. So I'm proud of myself now because I just sat down and filmed this video. So that's one thing that I've been trying to do for 4 days, and I finally did it. So anyways, if you can't bring yourself to do stuff, it's okay. Don't feel bad. This is a crazy time. This is all new for everybody, so whatever you're feeling, it's normal. It's okay to feel that, and don't think you're not doing good because you're not getting up and putting clothes on and doing productive things. Like, you do whatever you have to do and don't feel bad about it, okay? Again, as always, there's enough shitty people in the world. Don't be one of them, especially right now. It's the last thing anybody needs. Be nice to everybody. Be kind to your neighbors. If you can help anybody out in any way, do it. And have a great day. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.